Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the Tremble Zoom transitions to your videos in CapCut PC. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and just go straight to the transition tab at the top. And in here, you'll see there is a Tremble Zoom transition on the trending, but if you can't find it on here on the trending, just click on the camera category and you'll easily find Tremble Zoom. So first download the transition, and to add it to your clip, just click on the plus icon and it will be add in here in between the clips. Just add the durations to your liking, and that's it. And this transition will go like this. I'm going to just make it longer, I think, to make it more obvious. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy this video, so don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment if you have any questions. Bye.